So before you buy that first wig, you really need to know about the cap construction. What is under this hair? Because what is under this hair really affects the style of the wig, what you can do with the wig, and the budget. And that's really important. Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my series on stop, before you buy that first wig, watch this. There are several kinds of cap construction, and it's important to know the downsides and the upsides of each one. So there's the basic cap, which is also known as an open cap, a wefted cap, or capless. There's also the lace front, the fully hand tied, and a combination of all of these. And the benefits of a basic cap are that they're usually a lot cheaper, they are a lot airier, the air passes through, so they are a lot cooler. So this wig here is Enticing by Tony Bratton, and it is a fully open cap. It's really light, it's really airy, and it's really va-va-voom. So this is a monofilament cap. A monofilament cap has a lot of hand-tied fibres put in it, and you can part it in any direction around the top that you like. And this is a lace front wig. The benefits of a lace front wig is it has a very natural hairline. This is a lace front wig as well. The lace front can extend. You can have one that just has a tiny little piece at the front here. You can have one that extends to your temples, or one that extends down into your ear tabs, like this one. And this is Hollywood by Main Attraction in the colour Butternut, and she is a lace front wig, which means there is a lace section at the front of the wig attached to a very basic cap. So here she is off the head. She's a beautiful wig. She's a budget priced wig. We can see that the rest of the cap is extremely basic, but at the front there is quite a nice deep set lace front piece that is going all the way into those ear tabs, which will give you a really realistic hairline. This is a fully hand tied cap, which means that the whole cap is hand tied onto some lace. They are a lot more fragile, they are a lot more expensive, but they are really the most realistic looking wig that you can purchase. There's also a combination of cap styles where you can have open wefting at the back, like here. You can have an area of Permatease, which this cap has. The benefits of that is lifting up the style so that you don't have to spend hours back combing your hair. And combination of a lace front, or combination of lace front, monofilament top, such as here, and open wefting all around the back of the cap. Now this cap has open wefting at the back, but it also has a fully hand-tied monofilament top and a hand-tied lace front, and it's an extended laced front, which is really great. So that provides for a really realistic top of the wig that will lay very flat to your scalp, whereas a standard cap skin top wig is not going to sit as flat to the scalp as the fully hand-tied monofilament top. And we'll just look at those side by side so that you can see this is the hand-tied monofilament top and this is the skin top. And there's quite a difference in the density at the top of the wig and how flat that will sit on your head. Another type of wig cap has just a small section of a monofilament part, such as Miranda from John Renault. It is just this section here, and if you're lucky you will get the lace front with it as well. Another thing to mention on caps is that hopefully a better brand cap will have some metal in these ear tabs, which is flexible so that you can move that and move that in towards your scalp to add with holding the wig on. And this one has Velcro adjusters like that and extended nape here, and it also has some metal in that extended nape, but not all extended napes have this metal. It depends on the quality of the brand that you're purchasing from. Now, some of the cheaper brands of wig and the more basic cap construction can have on them hooks, and they can have on them like a bra strap type of fixture that sometimes I think the hair, if it's a longer wig or your hair, can get caught up in there, which may not be ideal, but it's not the end of the world if your cap comes with one of those. But these may not feel so comfortable if you're someone who doesn't have any hair left on their head, so you could possibly remove those if your wig came with one and perhaps wear a wig cap underneath it instead. If you've enjoyed this content, let me know down below in the comments section, and thank you so much for joining me on Julie's Wig World, and YouTube will have a great video for you to watch here.